Hi, and welcome to AR Real Highlights for Outdoor Upgrade Newcastle. Best deck patio and Aussie outdoor living design experts. I'm your host, Bob. Let's dive in, shall we? The problem, as we saw it, was clear. Newcastle homeowners loved their outdoors, but struggled to create truly integrated, durable, and stylish spaces. They wanted more than just a deck. They dreamed of a cohesive extension of their home. Many builders offered generic solutions that didn't stand up to the coastal climate or lacked innovative design. We saw a gap, a need for experts who understood Newcastle's unique conditions, who could blend functionality with aesthetics, and who truly listened to homeowner visions. This wasn't just about construction, it was about transforming lifestyles. This insight sparked the idea to build a service that didn't just meet expectations, but redefined outdoor living in the region, focusing on lasting value and unparalleled comfort. Starting Outdoor Upgrade Newcastle wasn't a walk in the park, I can tell you. Initial capital was tight, and convincing people to invest in premium, climate-specific solutions rather than quick fixes was a real challenge. There was skepticism about new materials like composite decking or specialized aluminium patio covers, as timber and basic structures were the norm for so long. We had to tirelessly educate potential clients, demonstrating the long-term benefits of durability and low maintenance in Newcastle's harsh coastal environment. Finding skilled craftsmen who shared our vision for meticulous detail and innovative design was another significant hurdle, often leading to long hours and personal sacrifices to ensure every single project met our exacting standards. The turning point, the real breakthrough moment for us, came with our first major project, a stunning Lake Macquarie home that wanted a truly integrated indoor-outdoor space. We showcased a visionary design featuring bespoke HV aluminium patio covers, seamless bifold doors, and a multi-level composite deck overlooking the water. The homeowners were absolutely ecstatic, and their glowing testimonials spread like wildfire through the community. This project became our showpiece, attracting more clients who saw the tangible difference in quality and design with their own eyes. Word of mouth grew exponentially, and soon, Outdoor Upgrade Newcastle became synonymous with premium, tailor-made outdoor transformations, proving that our commitment to excellence and climate-specific solutions truly resonated with the market. Today, Outdoor Upgrade Newcastle stands as a beacon of innovative outdoor design right here in the region. Our mission is crystal clear: to empower homeowners to reimagine their living spaces, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. We pride ourselves on a consultative approach, ensuring every single project, from custom decks to sophisticated alfresco kitchens, reflects the homeowner's unique lifestyle and significantly enhances their property value. We continue to pioneer sustainable and durable solutions, always researching the latest trends and materials, ensuring Newcastle homes are equipped for both relaxed enjoyment and grand entertaining, come rain or shine. Our expert team is absolutely dedicated to crafting spaces that inspire joy and stand the test of time. So, if you're dreaming of transforming your backyard into a truly exceptional outdoor living area, a space that's not just beautiful, but also perfectly suited to Newcastle's unique climate and your family's lifestyle, we wholeheartedly invite you to join us. Don't just settle for ordinary. Let's create something extraordinary together. Our dedicated team at Outdoor Upgrade Newcastle is ready to turn your vision into a stunning reality. Whether it's a cozy nook for that morning coffee, an expansive entertainment hub for friends and family,
or a tranquil garden retreat, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Book a call with our experts today, and let's start planning your dream outdoor upgrade. Your perfect outdoor living space is just a conversation away.